September, when his days left here were few, he sat me down at his bedside, told me things that I should do. Please respect this crown of wisdom, he said, pointing to his gray head. I leaned in and listened closely as my dear grandfather said, live your life with eyes wide open, bide your time with palms toward heaven. People come in circles and squares, some are hearts but they're quite rare. Told me stories of his childhood, of mistakes that he had made. Told me, don't you make the same ones, because love is not a game. Live your life with eyes wide open, bide your time with palms toward heaven. People come in circles and squares, some are hearts but they're quite rare. I don't want you to be like me, I want you to be a heart. But I said, no, Grandpa, you're different. Take a look at what you are. Grandpa didn't know what a heart he was. When you see him, tell him for me, Jesus. Grandpa died with eyes wide open. Grandpa died with palms toward heaven.